How many of you had your papers graded by an evil teacher who just marked it badly? Well, this is an intuitive thing. We're used to marking up on papers, but imagine if I could just cross something out and it goes away. Or if I could cross out an entire paragraph. Or if I want to highlight, if you're like me, sometimes my highlights look like this. No problem, the PC straightens that out for me. That's right there in Word. That's shipping. Are you seeing? It's a one cohesive story. And check this out. Imagine that I'm working in, for example, like Kindle, or I have an ebook. Or maybe I'm studying math online, because in Edge you can also do screen grabs. Check this out. Let's say I have this Kindle book open in my app. It's over here. There's some algebra stuff. We talked about in Windows Ink, there's a screen sketch feature. I can bring up the workspace. Oops, wrong pen, sorry. At least it's working like it's supposed to. That's cool. I can bring this up and do screen sketch, and check this out. This gives me the ability to just come in and capture something. So I can crop a section of this information that's important to me, right? Maybe it's this cool diagram. I'll copy it. And now, when I go over here and open OneNote, it's super easy. Let's say I made a new page here just for the sake of argument. I can come right here, and using touch even, I could paste this right from there. So I'm easily able to pull that together. What would your notebook look like if you were studying math in school? I'll show you. It'll look just like this. Not only do I have all my notes, but now because OneNote, it supports ink. And then a kind of just fun little silly one I wanted to show you is it's not all about studying math or planning trips. Sometimes it's as simple as playing games. I love some of even the ink-enabled games. You ever play Sudoku on a plane? It's never? Nobody? No, Bryan, we don't like Sudoku. I'm sorry, I'm a Sudoku fan. But basically, with touch, it's cool to touch and have to pick the number. But with ink, it's so much better. Here's an awesome game, and I'm a Sudoku expert, so I can tell clearly this is a 6 and that this is a 9. And I'm using ink in a new way to actually play games. And we're seeing more ink-enabled games coming out, from crossword puzzles to Sudoku to little image searches. People love these kind of games. Because you have really two types of gamers, right? You have your super intense, I'm going to fight hordes of things, and I have a powerful PC, which we're going to show you later. But then there's also this subset of folks that play Bejeweled and things like this. And even I think of my grandmother, loved her crosswords all the time. Ink is enabling that as well.